Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Baymax. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the head. Let's draw a sideways oval shape that's open at the bottom. Now let's close off the bottom by drawing a curve across. Next, inside let's draw the eyes with two black circles. Next, in between the eyes, let's draw a curve across. And that's it for the head. Let's draw the body next. From the bottom left of the head, let's draw a curve down like this. And the same thing on the right side. Next, we'll continue this line down like this, and then we're going to curve it back in slightly at the bottom. Now let's do the same on the right. Next, let's close off the bottom of the body with a V shape. Next, let's add some details inside the body. On the sides, let's draw a curve. And on the right as well. Now across the center, let's draw a curve across. Next, let's hop up to the top right, and we're going to draw a small circle. Next, inside from the sides, let's draw two lines in like this. Next, let's angle them up slightly, and then a line across the top. That's it for the body. Let's draw the arms next. On the top left here, let's draw a curve over, and then angle it down. And the same thing on the right. Now from the end, let's curve it down and then back up into the body. And on the right side as well. Next, along the outside of the arms, let's draw a long curve. Next, let's add the fingers on the bottom of both arms. First, we're going to start off by drawing an angled oval. And the same thing on the right side. Next, inside this oval, let's draw the thumb. Start with a curve, and then add a U-shaped curve underneath. And the same on the right. Next, let's erase any of the lines inside the thumb. Next, let's move over and we're going to draw another finger. So let's start with a curve here. Then curve it down and in. And the same on the outside. Now let's do the same on the right arm. Now let's erase that line inside the finger. And lastly, let's add one more finger behind it with a bent line. And that's it for the arms. Let's draw the legs next. Let's move down under the center of the body and we're going to draw a line down. Then from the end, let's curve it down to the left and then again down to the right. Now let's hop over on the outside and we're going to draw curves down for the sides of the legs. And now let's close off the bottom of each leg with the curve across. Now let's add some details to the legs. Inside on the top outside corner, let's draw a curve like this, and the same on the right. Now let's move down to the bottom. From the outside, let's draw a small line in. Then we're going to angle it up, over, back down, and then across to the inside. Now let's do the same thing on the right leg. And that's it for Baymax. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!